So quick breakdown on this 10RR GU trade. So you can see we are pretty bearish. It's a big downtrend. When I saw price consolidating over here, I got onto the charts. I just said it was a bit choppy, but I also noticed that this is a very clean zone with imbalance. Multiple imbalances here. This did sweep this high, so this is extra valid for me as it did sweep. And then we can say it did mitigate the 0.5 over here. Somewhere like here it would be 0.5. Mitigated between the 0.5 0.6. Did a break of structure. Went in a bit of complex pullback. Created some liquidity over here. Tapped the zone. And when it tapped the zone, I was looking for an entry. So on the entry time frame over here, you can see it tapped the zone over here, this one. Then we did a kind of change of character. You could also argue like it did mitigate some kind of demand zone here. But as we very bearish and it already mitigated the zone and did a strong reaction, I was pretty sure it would go lower. This is now a little bit wrong. It should be like this. So we did tap the refined zone on the 5 seconds. We didn't move down, so this indicated for me, this was too aggressive, I didn't get in there yet. But this indicated for me like we're going down. And when it got up a little bit back again, this is where I took my entry short. And you can see it perfectly played out. 1 second. As for the take profit, I must go to the higher time frames. Like when I say when I go break even, my rule, and this played perfectly out. My rule is that it do some move. But as we trading supply and demand, it can always do a move back to some kind of demand zone over here. And this basically, with this strategy, this 99% of the time, that's our break even level where it retraces to. So you shouldn't go break even too fast, too early. So I did a break back. If you already went break even after a first break, then you would get tapped out break even. Like it will happen 99 of the times if you go break even aggressive. And in that case we wait for another break, and that was the break. And here I went break even, and it just perfectly melted. For the take profit levels, I believe it was my time frame. Let's see. Yeah, here's the imbalance. Starts here on the 5 minute and ends here. And as I explained, this is perfect for a take profit level, as it can fill it a bit. It can fill it 50%. It can fill it fully. It can even go lower. But just to be sure and take profits, I did it here. And this was a clean 10-hour trade within the Asia session. And that's how you can see everything is possible. You don't need to stick to certain trading times. You can just trade whatever you want, especially on the seconds. If there's volume, there's money to be made. That's why always people quit too early with their jobs, because they think, oh yeah, I need to trade London session, I need to trade New York session. That isn't the case. Trade whenever you are free. Trade when you can focus, because you need income to pay for your expenses, pay for your bills, care for your family, etc. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and I see you on the next trade. Ciao.